Hi folks, thank you for tuning in to Mini Orange. This video will demonstrate how to assign Drupal roles to users based on their current LDAP groups. Before proceeding with the video, please download and install the LDAP Auth module on your Drupal site. You can find the module link in the description below. After the installation process, please configure the module by entering your LDAP server details in the LDAP Configuration tab. For detailed instructions on how to configure the module, you can refer to our configuration video or setup guide provided in the description below. Now, as you can see, we have already configured the module. Now go to the Attribute and Role Mapping tab. Expand the LDAP group to Drupal Role Mapping Detail. Enable this checkbox to assign Drupal roles to users based on LDAP groups. This checkbox is mandatory for role mapping. Select this checkbox if you want to clear the user's current roles and assign new ones based on the settings below. Enable role mapping for NTLM users. This checkbox is for role mapping during Windows Auto Login or Kerberos authentication. Now select the default role for users after LDAP authentication. This role will be automatically applied to users upon logging in through their LDAP credentials in Drupal. This is the LDAP attribute where your users' groups are stored. Please choose the attribute that contains the user groups. To assign users the content editor role in Drupal from a specific LDAP group, enter the distinguished name of that LDAP group into the content editor text field. You can check the group DN value from the right section. In our example, we wanted users from the editor group in our LDAP server to have the content editor role. Therefore, I add the distinguished name of the editor group under the content editor text field. Likewise, if you want to assign the administrator role to a user, you can follow these same steps. You also have the option to include multiple LDAP groups by separating them with a semicolon. Once you are done with the configurations, click on the Save Role Mapping button. Now let's see how LDAP groups to Drupal role mapping works. Open a private or incognito window of your browser. Navigate to the Drupal site's login page. Enter the LDAP credentials of a user within the editor group from the LDAP server. As per our configuration, the user should receive the content editor and administrator role in Drupal. Click on the Login button. You will observe that the user is granted the content editor and administrator role in Drupal. That's it. That's all you need to know about role mapping from the LDAP server to the Drupal site. We do offer multiple features. You can check out the feature list in the description below. Experience a complete 10-day trial to explore the module as per your needs. Request the trial by emailing us at drupalsupport@securify.com. For any queries or assistance, feel free to contact us at drupalsupport@securify.com. Thank you for watching.